Mic check 1 2 1 2. Yo, word up, my name is Jay, and I work real hard each and every day. I mow the lawn, I do my chores, I clean my room and sweep the floors. Not long ago, when I got paid, my money wouldn't even last one day. Here's a little story, and you're gonna love it, about how I learned how to budget. Dance to a jam as I reminisce, and it went a little something like this.
Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Look out, Jay, here comes payday.
Money in my hand, without a care, I jumped on the bus and paid the dollar fare. Rolling downtown, feeling like a big man. People ask for my help, I put money in their hand. You need help with this? I can help with that. You need help with this? I can help with that. Up on the boogie, step into the store. Yep, slam. My money on the counter and I'm feeling good, cause I'm the king of this neighborhood. I don't need to see the tag, sir. Just put it in the bag,
More candy?
Just put it in the bag.
More toys?
Put it in the bag.
And what about this?
Just put it in the bag.
Okay.
I've got bags full of goodies, but my pockets are bare. And I can't pay the dollar fare.
Sorry, Jay, if you can't pay, you'll have to get home another way.
Stranded on the corner with a frightened thought. I don't even know what I just bought.
Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Worked hard, Jay, spent pay in one day.
There I was, the third week in a row, stranded on the corner, haven't spent my dough. I called my mom, hey, I straight messed up. She said, I'll be right there to pick you up. Sorry, Mom.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm on the corner. Yeah, right, again. When Mom saw my bags, I thought she would nag, but instead she gave me a bag. Inside 3 piggy banks, cute as a nugget. She said these will help you to make a budget. I said, what is that? And she said, honey, a budget is a plan of how you use your money.
I'm the first little piggy I'm used to save. I hold money for big things you want one day, whether electronics, college, or a bike to steer. Your savings money goes in here. Feed a little each week, it adds up a lot. Soon you won't believe how much money you got. But if you're looking for money to use every day, my spending sisters got you, Jay. I'm the second little piggy, I'll be your best friend. Just feed me the money you want to spend. For daily things you want to do, I'll have the cash that goes with you. When you need cash to have some fun, spending piggy gets the job done. Need some money for your food? Don't worry, Jay, I got you, dude. But for money used to show you care, let me introduce you to my girl Cher. My name is Cher with hair down to there. I help collect money that you can share. If there's a cause you want to support, like building a field for your favorite sport, or buying a present for your best pal, sharing piggy is your gal. $1 here, $1 there, helps the world when you share. Working together we can make change. Hey, don't worry, I got you, babe. Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Come on, Jay, let's start today.
I knew those piggies and my mom were right, so we sat down and made a budget that night. If I save all my money for 3 weeks, I can buy this pair of light up sneaks.
But what about my girls? They're hungry too. You won't have sharing or spending money for you. A budget is meant to split your pay. We're hungry piggies, please feed us, Jay.
Mom said, wow, those piggies are looking at you, so what do you think that you need to do? I got to spread my money among the 3. I guess that's what a budget is supposed to be.
Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Saving, spending, sharing, budget.
Yeah.
Good job, Jay, you're doing great.
Now it's your turn, give it a try. Plan for the things that you want to buy. Put some aside for the greater good, to share with those in your neighborhood. Your budget is a plan you make today to help use your money in a smarter way.
Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Saving, spending, sharing, budget. Be like Jay, make a budget today.
Word up. Make a budget. Yeah. Saving, spending, sharing, budget.